Recording? Yep. Hey guys, what's going on? I haven't done one of these for a while. A little update. I've been working my ass off getting shit. But give you the rundown of everything I got right now. Starting with the engine, I got an Iragi 320 plus my stock alt. That gives me 490 amps. And don't mind that little fuse holder back there. I'm just seeing if it will withstand the vibrations, if they'll stay up there or not. There's my doors for 6.5 per door. I got some super tweeters, but I didn't like the way they sounded, so I need to get more tweeters, but it sounds all right. And then I got 1100.4 running those, which is right there. And then here's the back. Picked up a North Star 480 yesterday, and then that 95 amp hour cheap battery I got. Either way, it should hold up. And then my big purchase was that right there, 12,000.1. And then of course I told you about my 5s I got, 2 18s. The box ain't right. I was going to do a wall, but I made a new move, and needless to say, I fucked up. I'm gonna rip it out hopefully next week and start trying to build a 6th, and then hopefully I get it done before Slamology. If not, I'm just gonna throw a wall in it and say fuck it. And then next year I'm planning on getting 2 more 18s and just do a fucking wall on that. But I figure I'd give you guys an update. All right, have a good one, guys.